A recent study found that women were up to 50% more likely to be diagnosed with type 2 diabetes if they had been taking Lipitor. Researchers at the University of Massachusetts looked at data from nearly 154,000 women who were taking Lipitor or another statin and were followed for up to 7 years. The age of women in the study varied greatly, but the average age of the women was 63 years old. At the beginning of the study, none of the women included in the study reported having diabetes. However, at the end of the study, more than 10,000 women reported a diagnosis of the condition. Lipitor was introduced to the market in 1996 by Pfizer, and nearly 20 million Americans take Lipitor to control cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart attacks or strokes. However, recent studies have also questioned whether Lipitor is as effective of a treatment for women as advertised by Pfizer. Despite this information, many physicians continue to recommend Lipitor for their patients. Some physicians even recommend Lipitor for patients with cholesterol within normal ranges, who are not currently suffering from heart disease, and who are even eating well and exercising regularly. Meanwhile, Pfizer has sold over $130 billion of Lipitor medications. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration recently ordered Lipitor's label to be changed to include information regarding the risk of developing type 2 diabetes as a result of taking Lipitor. While the FDA does not advise patients to stop taking Lipitor on their own, they do advise patients to thoroughly discuss the risk and benefits of taking Lipitor with their doctors. Recently, Lipitor lawsuits have been filed against Pfizer by individuals who feel that as a result of taking Lipitor, they have contracted type 2 diabetes. Now let me explain how these Lipitor lawsuits will be handled. These are known as mass tort cases, not class action litigation. There are some similarities between the two, but some major differences as well. In a mass tort case like Lipitor, we see that there are plaintiffs across the U.S. that have been injured by a similar drug, like Lipitor. As a result, they all share one common defendant. In this case, it is the makers of Lipitor. When handling a mass tort lawsuit like Lipitor, it is crucial that you pick an attorney who has experienced in mass tort litigation. Here at Levin Papantonio, we have numerous attorneys who have actively participated in litigating mass tort cases. We are usually the leaders in these cases. We speak at conferences and instruct other attorneys how to handle these cases. We take the most important depositions. We try these cases, and we have received numerous multi-million-dollar verdicts on behalf of the clients that we personally represent. Have you or someone you know taken Lipitor and been recently diagnosed with diabetes? If so, make sure you contact an experienced mass tort attorney right away to discuss your legal rights.